Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you Python operators but in code. So let's get into it. So let's create a variable first. Let's say our exam score is 80. Now we're gonna check if score is less than 60. Let's say print. Sorry, you did not pass. And else we can print well done. So as you can see, now to make this more interesting, we can add a input. Let's say exam input equals to input. What is your score? And gonna do int if exam input is over 100, we're gonna print your score is not valid. Now if exam input is equal to 100, we're gonna do print well, or we can do else print exam input is less than 100, print sorry, you did not pass. What is your score? If I do 80, score is not valid. Sorry. Else print well done. My score is 80. Well done. And if we do well done, but if we do 101, yeah, it's gonna say not valid 100,000. So yeah, you can add a little space. Over here, add a little space. So yeah, 4, 5. Yeah, it says sorry you did not pass. 60. Well done. Or exam input is equal to 60. Make sure you put double equal signs. Yeah, sorry you did not pass. So now we're gonna create another program where we're gonna say so this is let's say our car is going at 5 miles per hour is equal to 100 or 100. Now if miles per hour is greater than or 100, or miles per hour is equal to 100, I'm gonna say print you're gonna get a ticket. Now if miles per hour is less than or greater than 50, you're gonna get a word warning. Off and you can go. Yeah, you're gonna get a ticket. Now we can also do a ticket program, but I'm not gonna do this in this video because a ticket you need to build a function, and I'm gonna talk about functions later in the course. So yeah. So miles per hour, let's do 50. Or miles per hour is equal to 50. You're gonna get a warning. You do 20. You can go. But sometimes if you go 30 or 40, you can get a ticket. But for this program, I'm just gonna set it like that. And yeah, if you have any questions, if you have any questions about the Python operators video, you can leave the questions down below in the comments and I'm gonna answer them. But peace.